Hello children, this is Madam Navanova here for a lesson of English. Dear children, how are you doing there? How is the lockdown? Let me hope each and everything is okay. I just thank the Almighty for the life, protection and care He has given us to ensure that we are still alive. I pray that He continues to guide us in each and everything we do. Dear children, I'm here for an English lesson, and as we went for the holidays, we had started looking at the future simple tense. We saw how it is all about. We looked at the helping verbs that we use in the future simple tense. Those are shall and will. We saw the different pronouns, subjects that go with either shall or will. We also looked at the adverbs of time we normally use in the future simple tense. We went further and looked at the negative and interrogative forms in the future simple tense. Today, dear children, we are looking at question tags, still in the future simple tense. Question tags in the future simple tense. What is a question tag? What is a question tag? Question tag is a phrase used at the end of a statement. Question tag is a phrase used at the end of a statement. Question tags are formed using helping verbs and personal pronouns. We have different kinds of helping verbs, but here majorly, because we are looking at the future simple tense, we are only going to look at the two helping verbs we use, shall and will. So we shall use shall and will plus personal pronouns to form question tags in the future simple tense. Dear children, a question tag, what we call a question tag, that comes after a statement, comes after a comma. A question tag comes after a comma. And when writing a question tag, dear children, it starts with a small letter and ends with a question mark. A question tag comes after a comma. It is written starting with a small letter and ends with a question mark. I have said question tags are formed using helping verbs and personal pronouns. I have said we are going to use shall and will as our helping verbs. Then the examples of personal pronouns include he, she, it, you, they, we, and the pronoun I. Those are the ones that we put together with the helping verbs will and shall to form question tags. Are we together? Good. Dear children, if the main sentence is positive, we form a negative question tag. If the main sentence is positive, after that main sentence, form a negative question tag. These negative question tags should be in short forms. For example, the negative question tags will include shan't I, shan't we, won't they, won't it, won't he, and so many others. We use the short form of shall not, which is shan't, and the short form of will not, which is won't. So negative question tags are written in short forms. Are we together, dear children? So the examples of negative question tags are given there. We're going to read it together. We are given positive statements or positive sentences, and negative question tags are formed. Example A says, I shall finish the work. I shall finish the work. That is a positive sentence. So the negative tag says, Shan't I? I shall finish the work. Shan't I? B. We shall eat porridge. Shan't we? We shall eat porridge. Shan't we? C. The pupils will pass the test. Won't they? The pupils will pass the test. Won't they? We are using won't because the pupils goes hand in hand with the helping verb will, and the will is clearly shown in the statement. That cat will chase the rats. That cat will chase the rats. Won't it? We are using won't because the statement is positive. We are using pronoun it to refer to the cat or that cat. Then, apart from only filling in with question tags, we also have an area where we are supposed to rewrite the sentence, still in the very way of forming a question tag. They give you a statement with its own question tag, and they tell you to write ending in a different question tag. Still, this takes us back to the affirmative and negative sentences. So an example is there. Question E says, she will go to church next Sunday, won't she? Rewrite the sentence and end, will she? I read again. She will go to church next Sunday, won't she? Rewrite the sentence and end, will she? Dear children, the instruction in brackets tells us to end with will she, which means the sentence we are supposed to form must be a negative one. The question tag is not supposed to be in the same form as the statement. One of the two must be negative while the other is positive, or positive then the other negative, as we are going to see in the next part of forming positive question tags. So for our question E, she will go to church next Sunday, won't she? Rewrite the sentence and end will she. It means you're going to say she will not go to church next Sunday, will she? Such that we have a negative sentence with a positive question tag. We together, dear children, that takes me to the guideline number 6, which says if the main sentence is negative, form a positive question tag. If the main sentence is negative, form a positive question tag. Positive question tags still come in line with the pronouns that are used in the statements. Example number 1 says, I shall go to town. I shall not go to town. Sorry, I beg your pardon. I shall not go to town. Shall I? My sister won't fly to America. Will she? It won't rain tomorrow. Will it? You will not dodge lessons. Will you? So, dear children, you find that sentences A to D are all in the negative form, and the question tags we have formed are all positive. So it is a must that if the sentence is negative, the tag should be positive. If the sentence is positive, the question tag should be negative. It is wrong to have a positive statement and a positive question tag. Likewise, a negative statement should not have a negative question tag. It should be opposite to one another: negative, positive, positive, negative. Let me hope we are together, dear children. Still under the positive question tags, there is also the right part, where you're given a negative statement with a positive question tag, and we are told to rewrite as instructed. Question E says, we shall not mop the classroom. Shall we? Rewrite the sentence ending, shan't we? The moment we see a negative question tag, we automatically know, we get to know that the sentence we must give must be a positive one. Are we together? We shall not mop the classroom, shall we? Rewrite the sentence ending, shan't we? So the right answer is, we shall mop the classroom, shan't we? Are we together, dear children? Yes, that's fine. So all in all, we are looking at question tags in the future simple tense. We are forming question tags. If the main sentence is positive, dear children, form a negative question tag. If the main sentence is negative, form a positive question tag. Things are very easy. We together? Okay, so after those examples, we have a very simple activity with the instructions. Complete each sentence with a correct question tag. Complete each sentence with a correct question tag. For numbers 1 to 6, we are going to just complete, insert, supply with a suitable question tag. Ensure you identify whether the sentence is negative or positive. If it is negative, give a positive tag. If it is positive, give a negative question tag. We together, dear children? The next instruction says, rewrite the sentences as instructed in the brackets. Rewrite these sentences as instructed in the brackets. So for numbers 7 to 10, we go to that part of rewriting, following what is given in the instructions in the brackets. I shall attend the party. Shan't I? Rewrite ending. Shall I? Number 8. Ruth will bring some sugar, won't she? Rewrite and end. Will she? Number 9. You won't do it, will you? Rewrite ending. Won't you? And lastly, we shan't wash our uniforms, shall we? Rewrite and end. Shan't we? The activity is very easy, so I expect you to comfortably, neatly write it and ensure that you punctuate very well. Punctuate very well. Question tags come at the end of statements. After the statement, make use of a comma, and after your question tag, ensure you punctuate with a question mark. I wish you the best and ensure that you write the activity using the best handwriting. The struggle continues. I remain teacher Nabanova Susan. Bye-bye.